guys, welcome to the Blue Water River Walk. Today I'm with
Miss O.
And I'm Crystal. We are Destinations Delight. Today we're going to take you on this very beautiful, as we can see, river walk of the St. Clair County. So guys, stay tuned and we will be right back. So this is also all part of the river walk. They invited local artists to come in to obviously not graffiti, but show off their talent. We're gonna take a look at a few of these and then we're gonna move on to some other stuff. There's some really cool art display down here at the Riverwalk. And guys, this area of the Riverwalk and this tunnel used to be an old train tunnel. Where we're currently standing used to be railroad tracks. And it's under 24 hours a day surveillance cameras. Cameras are right there. Very beautiful art by local talented people. Some of these are straight out of college kids. Some of these are regular high schoolers that they picked from all the local high schools. Very beautiful stuff. I love how the butterfly is on that flower. Very pretty. Then we'll come back around. This one is an owl eye. This is really pretty. A little piece of my favorite movie, Avatar. The puppy looking in the koi pond. Can you see the two-headed animal? I sure can. Another warning sign about being under surveillance. A mermaid. Circles. Ooh, 7 leagues under the sea? Maybe. the iguana reptile. Some sturgeon. And a little caterpillar. There you go, guys. This is the Tunnel of Art on the downtown Riverwalk. Hope you all enjoyed. Oh, on the little log.
There's a bunch right there, and then there's one little guy right here.
Hold on. Oh yeah, I see him. The little turtle's on the log. You're good. Oh, look at the turtle. The Blue Water River Walk is a paved shoreline along the St. Clair River. It is a unique location to watch freighter traffic, view the St. Clair River, and enjoy the shoreline, which has been restored. And you can also plant trees here, thanks to the Community Foundation of St. Clair County. In loving memory of somebody. But let's go read these informational plaques about what's here in the wetlands of the shoreline and connects to the Bridge to Bay Trail. The elevation structure that was once used as a ferry dock provides as a fun and different perspective on the river and land. The Blue Water Riverwalk has been a shoreline restoration project, not only for land, but for wildlife as well, inviting natural plants, aquatic lives back to the area. What to you can expect to see along the Riverwalk? Well, guys, I'm here to tell you. A fully restored ferry dock dates back to an early 1900s when it was once used to help transport goods back and forth to Sarnia. The ferry dock is now a beautiful patio overlooking the St. Clair River and passing freighters. Great for a wedding venue if you want to have an outside wedding and take your chances on Mother Nature. A pedestrian trail is a 10-inch wide asphalt pedestrian trail along the entire length of the shoreline and part of the Bridge to Bay system. An outdoor classroom area at the north end of the Riverwalk, just north of the ferry dock, is an interactive learning environment to teach the public about the St. Clair River, the ecosystem, along with the plant and wildlife habitat found along the Riverwalk. Beautiful sculptures and informational kiosks, benches, and the rest of the pebble beaches for swimming, freshwater reefs, birds, fishing, butterfly, and native plants along the walkway all provide a beautiful atmosphere for one to enjoy. Now, I'm also here to tell you guys that this is going to be part 1 of the video. Part 2 will be out next week, and part 3 will be the following week. I hope you guys all enjoy, and oh, as you will hear me say, it's not very often that I get to capture these boats coming down the St. Clair River. Sit back. It's not very often I get to catch a U.S. Coast Guard ship coming down the river. Notification bell. Give me a few minutes, guys, and we'll sit here on these lovely benches in front of us with this lovely couple. And we will scope out this U.S. Coast Guard ship. There's some Canadian geese down there. Slide over. Kids. That is Sarnia, Ontario. So as you can tell, I'm only quite a distance from the Sarnia-Lambton border. Yeah, no, you'd get tuckered out 5 seconds into your swim. And again, some more of the wetlands behind us. Buy these benches, guys, and dedicated to the memory of people, which I feel is really cool. And the wetlands are amazing. Now, you're not even allowed to fish in the wetlands over here, where you see the little ponds and all that being built. You're not allowed to do any of that. Oh, they're putting in the buoys for winter, or for spring and summer. They're getting it ready. Probably picking up the winter ones, and they already dropped the summer ones. No, I said those are probably the winter ones. I stopped, guys. Tells you how much they pay attention. And again, there is lots of signs that say, like, wetlands are for plants and critters. Human pets must stay on the trail. Ducks or geese. Get ones when you get kittens. Are finally bedded and starting to move. Here, bunch of family and come down to have a picnic. Here's a little information. It says this recreational site was founded in part by the citizens who purchased the Michigan Recreational Passport. Little natural beach you can go swim at. It's there. There we go. They put the boulders in to protect from erosion. If you're brave enough, you can ganter your way out to that and jump off and go swimming. But do you see how clear that is around there? Those are called undertows. And undertows are very deadly and can possibly take your life. So swim at your own risk. So guys, this is it for the little wetland reserves that they have here. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.